Before we leave, I wanted to tell you one thing about this trip, and that is that I won this trip. The airfare and the hotel were free, and everything else were on our own, but I wanted to tell you how that happened. Good morning from Quebec City. This morning we're going to go on a tour of the old town in Quebec. It's about a 2-hour walking tour, and we're leaving from right near our hotel. One of the great things about the Frontenac is that the Tourist Information Center is right across the street, so a lot of the tours leave from there, and we don't have very far to go to get there. This is the oldest building in Quebec, and also a good restaurant. It's where we ate the first night we were here. Altarpiece is fashioned after the Vatican in Rome. You can see, if you've ever seen pictures of the Vatican or if you've been there. And in fact, the whole shape of the altar mimics the shape of the dome of the Vatican. Luckily, we don't have to walk back up that hill. We're going to take the funicular. Now we're looking for a restaurant that's supposed to have really good hot stew. I believe this is it, Mark, right here with the barrel. Pape George. Recommended by our tour guide. before we leave, I wanted to tell you one thing about this trip, and that is that I won this trip. I won it in a photography contest, and I am not a professional photographer, and the picture that I won it with was taken with my cell phone. So you don't have to be a professional, and you also can win a trip. I'm going to tell you how at the end of the week, so make sure to stay tuned and subscribe down below if you haven't already, so that you don't miss that. So this trip basically is courtesy of Expedia.